Alright, so I'm here for another layout, and my background is basil cardstock. That rainbow pattern is going to be Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I am so sorry. Sorry, Patton. I didn't know you were there, Theo. Sorry. Come here. Come here. I didn't mean to step on you. Come here. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. You gotta let me know when you're over there. Okay? Here, play with this. Alright, sorry. Alright, Patton. So I'm going to use this grid pattern. Oh, I dropped my paper. From Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. It says one more chapter. Alright. Oops. Just bumped my coffee. I'm going to use this house pattern as my photo mats. That's Jen Haville. This is family. Trying to come up with something for journaling. Alright, and so this pattern paper right here is Amy Tangerine's Slice of Life. Hey, baby. Want this? Or this? Oops. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to use these stickers because these are my niece's first day of preschool pictures. Let's see. And I also use some chipboard stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studios office hours. Oh. Alright. So I'm just putting down my chipboards and my stickers. so I'm just trying to cut the sticker back so it's more of the right size so I can see what I can. I'm having to entertain the cat. So I had to do the magnets on there because Ginger wouldn't leave it alone. So now I'm just gonna glue everything down. Not really glue it because they're stickers, so one thing I need to glue is the chipboard and my circle. So everything I used from Fresh Studio Office Hours, except for those phrase stickers. Those are Dear Lizzie. And I'd have to see them again to know. I think they came in the kit. I'm not sure. Sorry, Patton has to. Is it one? It's the other. I'm excited. We're going to look at 2 houses. So we're gonna buy a house. Right now I rent, and I don't like it. Rented for the past 5 years, and I'm done throwing my That's the way I see it, because I've paid $60,000 in rent when that could have been $60,000 into a house that's mine. That's right. Alright, so these phrase stickers, those of course are Dear Lizzie, and I think they came in this kit. So anyway, so I'm going to add those to the embellishment clusters because they just seem to be missing something. Alright, so now here's where I do my title. So first day of is Pink Press Studio Office Hours. Excuse me. Alphabet stickers. And then preschool is going to be the American Crafts main squeeze stickers. And the main squeeze stickers I want to say is from past kits. Oh, whoops. Alright, and then once I get my title done, that pretty much completes my layout. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.